Hello there, today in the script bit, I'm going to be telling you how to use the destroy function. So the destroy function is a function that destroys the instance that you're using it on. Some instances do not have this function, but it is usable on most. So the destroy function effectively destroys it. So first you'll need a reference to your part, and I've just created a variable named part and set that equal to script.parent, which is this part here. And so I'm just going to call the destroy function on the part. Just like this, inside the script that you should have added into your part. And so if you click the run button, your part shall disappear. And so basically destroying it effectively deletes it, just as if I did this. So bye, and thanks for watching this script bit. Hope to see you in the next one.